Samsung Galaxy S23 series fingerprint scanner is confirmed, and it's apparently going to be similar to how it is on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. According to the leaked screen protectors of the Galaxy S23 series, we can see that the cutout for the fingerprint scanner has the same size as the S22 liner, meaning the ultrasonic scanner will remain the same size and is probably going to be the same generation as well as the Galaxy S22 lineup. This is not a bad thing in itself. The Galaxy S22 Ultra was fitted with a very quick Qualcomm 3D Sonic Sensor Gen 2 fingerprint rear, which takes a three-dimensional snapshot of the user's fingers. And however, there have been rumors in the past that the Galaxy S23 Ultra would receive an upgrade in the form of Qualcomm's 3D Sonic Max in-display fingerprint sensor, which has already found its way into iQ9 Pro, but there may have been some cost-cutting measures going on at Samsung headquarters, as this no longer seems to be the case, and it's clearly to see in the comparison that the Galaxy S23 Ultra fingerprint sensor area is about the same size as the Galaxy S22 Ultras. Qualcomm states that the area for the 3D Sonic Sensor Gen 2 unit is 8 by 8 mm. This is much smaller than the 3D Sonic Max fingerprint reader, which comes in a hopping package size of 20 by 30 mm and offers greater security with simultaneous two-finger authentication. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to have exclusive high-frequency version Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset in Europe. Over the past few years, you may have grown more and more disappointed with Samsung's decision to use its own arguably inferior Exynos SoC in Europe in its flagship devices instead of Qualcomm's Snapdragon. If so, then you are undoubtedly happy to hear straight from Qualcomm, no less, that there will be no more Exynos in the Galaxy S23 series next year, not anywhere in the world. Samsung will continue to work closely with Google in order to release even faster software updates next year in 2023, meaning Galaxy S23 series will get Android 14 based on One UI 6.0 faster than the One UI 5.0 we got on the Galaxy S22 series. This also means that we're going to get faster updates across the board for Samsung mid-range phones as well as Samsung's foldable phones. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.